Students, under the application of Heron's formula for finding the areas of the quadrilateral, see some other types of examples in which a quadrilateral will be given to you, okay, and you have to find the area of that quadrilateral by using Heron's formula. See here, exercise 12.2, the first example, a park in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD. This is a park, has angle C, this is of 90 degree, AB equal to 9 meter, this AB, this is 9 meter, okay, then this BC is 12 meter, CD is 5 meter, and this AD is 8 meter. Now how to find the area of this quadrilateral? Students, see here, triangle BCD, this is a right angle triangle, these two sides are given, so you can easily find out this third side by using Pythagoras theorem. So let us find out this third side. If you know this third side, then in this triangle ABD, all sides will be known to you, this and this one. So here we can use Heron's formula, whereas you can find the area of this triangle by using half into base into height. This is base into this is height. But for applying this Heron's formula, we should know this side. So let's find out this side first. Okay. Solution. Quadrilateral ABCD in which angle C 90 degree, then AB, that is 9 meter, BC, that is 12 meter, CD, that is 5 meter, and AD is 8 meter. This is given. Okay, now in right angled triangle BCD using Pythagoras theorem, this BD square equal to BC square plus CD square. Okay, so BD square equal to, what is BC? BC is 12 square, CD is 5 square. So BD square equal to 144 plus 25. So BD square equal to 169, taking square root both the sides, therefore BD equal to 13 meter. That is BD equals to 13 meter. So we know the third side's BD, and therefore area of triangle BCD, that is half into base into height, that is half into, if we consider BC as the base 12, so the height to this side CD, that is 5, so half into 60, it means 30 meter square. This is the area of triangle BCD. Now in triangle this ABD, in triangle ABD, AB equals to 9, okay, BD equals to, just we have find out 13, and AD equals to 8. Therefore semi perimeter S equals to 9 plus 13 plus 8 upon 2. So that is 30 upon 2 is 15. So this is S. Now using Heron's formula, area of triangle this ABD that is equals to under root s into bracket s minus a s minus b into s minus c. Now just you put the values. So equals to under root s means 15 into 15 minus a is suppose 9, 15 minus second side 13, 15 minus third side is 8. So therefore under root 15 into 15 minus 9 that is 6, 15 minus 3 that is 2, 15 minus 8 that is 7. So that is under root 3 into 5 means 15, 6 means 2 into 3 into 2 into 7. So that is we can take this 3 outside the square root, then this 2 outside the square root, that is 2, then under root this 5 and 7 will remain as it is. So 6 root 35 meter square. So 6 root 35 meter square is the area of this second triangle. Therefore area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to sum of the areas of two triangles. Area of triangle this ABD plus area of triangle BCD. So this is 6 root 35 plus this is 30, right? 6 root 35 and plus this, so it comes I think 6 into this root 35 is 5.9 plus 30. So this is, it comes 35.4. I think 35.4 plus this 60 means total it will be 65.4 meter square. Therefore area of this quadrilateral ABCD is 65.4 meter square. So in this way we can find the area of the quadrilateral. Okay students, now see example number 2 in exercise 12.2. Here what he has given, find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is 3 cm, BC is 4 cm, CD is 4 cm and DA this is 5 cm and this AC that is 5 cm. Okay, he has not given whether this is a right angle triangle or not, this is ABC. So here by observing you can see 3 square plus 4 square that is 16, 9 plus 16 that is 25. So square root of 25 is 5. It means this is a right angle triangle. We can show in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square that is 3 square plus 4 square 9 plus 16 that is 25 and AC square that is also 5 square means 25. So here AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Therefore triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. Therefore area of triangle ABC equals to half into, this is a right angle triangle, so AB base into height will be BC, so that is half into AB 3, BC is 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, that is 6 centimeter square. Therefore area of triangle ABC equal to 6 centimeter square. So area of the first triangle, it is known to us now. Now come to another triangle. Now apply here Heron's formula. Now in triangle ADC, now in triangle ADC, what is AD? AD is 5 centimeter. AC is also 5 centimeter, and this CD, that is equal to 4 centimeter. Let हम मान लेते हैं कि A 5, B 5 and C 4. Therefore semi perimeter of this triangle, that is S equal to 5 plus 5 plus 4 upon 2, 14 upon 2, that is 7. So 7 is the value of your S. Therefore, using Heron's formula, area of triangle this ADC, that will be equals to under root S into bracket S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, that is equals to, what is S? S is 7 into 7 minus first side, that is 5, into 7 minus 5 into 7 minus 4. So this is under root 7 minus 5, that is 2, 7 minus 5, that is 2, 7 minus 4, that is 3. So this is equals to, you can take this 2 common out of square root. So this will be root 2 into root 21. So that is 2 root 21 centimeter square. This is the area of second triangle. Okay. Therefore combined area. Therefore area of quadrilateral ABCD, this is equals to area of triangle, first triangle is ABC plus area of triangle ADC. So triangle area कितना ABC का 6 plus this is 2 into root 21. So that is 6 plus 2 into, what is root 21? 4.6. That is 4.6. So therefore this is equal to 6 plus 4.6, that is 9.2. So this is 15.2 centimeter square. Therefore area of quadrilateral ABCD equals to 15.2 centimeter square. Okay students, in this way we can find area of the quadrilateral.